Good morning. Today is Monday, April 3rd. The markets have opened pretty much flat here this morning after a great finish to a great quarter last week. I'm going to roll the intro and then we'll take a look at those performance figures in the markets. Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update. Stocks rallied last week on receding fears of a widening banking crisis led by resurging investor interest in technology and communication services names. The Dow Jones Industrials Average gained 3.22% for the week, while the Standard & Poor's 500 added 3.48%. The NASDAQ Composite Index rose 3.37% for the week, and the MSCI EAFE Index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, advanced by 3.34%. Today is the first day of the second quarter, so the year-to-date figures that you see on the right side of that chart are also the first quarter results. The S&P 500 finished the quarter up over 7%, and the tech-heavy NASDAQ finished up over 16%. So as you can see, tech is leading the rally. In absence of further bad news in the banking sector, made for a good week with high-quality technology and communication services stocks leading the market, while easing banking worries laid the groundwork for the week's positive gains. Growing conviction that Fed rate hikes were ending and positive inflation data out of Europe helped support the renewed enthusiasm for stocks. Encouraging inflation data on the domestic front on Friday also added to the gathering optimism, igniting further gains to cap a satisfying week for investors. In an otherwise news-light week, Friday saw the release of February's Personal Income and Outlays Report, which provides insight into inflation and consumer expenditures, the dominant contributor to economic growth. The Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index, or PCE, the Fed's preferred measure of inflation, rose 0.3% for the month, below market expectations and below the prior month's 0.6% jump. The year-over-year increase of 5% improved from January's rise of 5.3%. Energy prices declined, partially offsetting increases in food, goods, and services. Personal income rose 0.3%, while consumer spending increased 0.2%. As always, we will keep our finger on the pulse of what's happening and will automatically make changes in your managed accounts as we feel are in your best interest. This week, we have a busy week, something to watch every day. Today, we have the Institute for Supply Management's Manufacturing Index report released. Tomorrow is a factory orders report, as well as the JOLTS report, which is the Job Openings and Turnover Survey. On Wednesday, we have ADP's employment report, as well as the Institute for Supply Management's Services Index. And then Thursday, we get a report on jobless claims, and then Friday, the employment situation. So if we are not investing your life savings for you, I invite you to learn about our personalized approach at www.smartmixportfolios.com. All right, that is it for this week. We've got another riddle for you. Thank you for staying until the end. Remember, if you're the first person to post the correct answer down below this video, and we will send you a gift card for coffee on us. All right, a little bit longer one for you here today. This week's riddle. Two couples played paintball. Each person had blue, green, yellow, or red paint and wore a uniform in one of those same colors. Barbara used blue paint. The person wearing green used yellow paint. Stephen did not wear the red uniform. Vicky used green paint and wore blue. Ian used the same color paint as his t-shirt. Can you match each person to the color of paint and uniform they used. You may need to pause today's video if you're watching the recording to get that one. But again, be the first person to post the correct answer down below this video, and we will send you a gift card for coffee on us. If you would like the answers to previous week's riddles, you can go to our website /riddles to find out. And then lastly, later on today, I will be sending out our full economic update for the week. If you're not getting this email and you would like it, you may subscribe to it at our website, www.investwithccg.com. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.